Hello everyone, I'm Mi, and thank you for taking the time to check out this course. I'm excited to share my latest creation with you, a beautiful belly dance choreography with finger cymbals. As an experienced finger cymbals performer and teacher, I've designed this course to help you learn and master the art of dancing with finger cymbals, regardless of your previous experience. Before we begin, take a moment to preview the choreography and ensure that it aligns with your dance style and goals. Make sure to have a pair of finger cymbals ready to use, as they are an essential component of this course. To start, you will learn the finger cymbal patterns used in the dance. Take this chance to familiarize with the cymbals before dancing and adjust the speed of the video player to work your way slowly with the patterns and perfect them. Next, we will guide you through the choreography step by step. Each lesson is designed to break down the dance into smaller, more manageable sections. We'll start with a preview, followed by the cymbal patterns, detailed dance instructions, and practice sessions with slow and actual music. Remember, finger cymbals can be a fun and creative way to enhance your dance performance. With proper attention and care, they can add an extra layer of musicality and rhythm to your performance without overpowering the music or the dance itself. And if creating your own choreography with finger cymbals seems challenging, don't worry. This course is designed to provide you carefully crafted choreography that will inspire and delight you. Thank you for considering this course, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!